On October 14th of 2018, I was heading to a landscape trade show, and I was in Akron, Ohio when I was hit head-on by a tractor trailer doing 77 miles an hour. The worst pain was I was suffering from some nerve pain in my first two fingers and in my thumb on my left hand. It affected everything. I couldn't touch anything with my left hand. It affected my ability to be active with my family and be social with friends because it consumed my head. That's all I could think about was the pain I was in. I went and saw a pain specialist, and he originally diagnosed it as CRPS. CRPS is complex regional pain syndrome, and all of the doctors thought that that's what I had and kind of brushed me aside, and I thought that there was absolutely no hope. I thought this was something I was going to suffer with for the rest of my life. Finally, I was able to set up an appointment with Dr. Stone, and he examined me a couple times. He thought it was more with my carpal tunnel than CRPS.
There was just this severe scar tissue that had formed around his nerve, causing the horrific pain that brought him to my clinic. So basically, Tim was at wit's end by the time he came to my office. And quite frankly, I wasn't sure that Tim was going to get better with any intervention that we would do. He had already been through several medications, injections, shots, all of which did not help him. We decided together that he wanted to try surgery.
I was extremely hopeful after meeting with him, and I just could not wait for the surgery.
Anytime you have a revision nerve surgery, the goal is to find normal nerve above and below the scarred area. Once you identify a normal part of the nerve, you carefully dissect through the scar tissue to free the nerve tissue itself.
When I came out of sedation, it was instant relief. It was instant. I felt 100% better than when I went into surgery.
Immediately when Tim awoke, he was ecstatic that his hand was feeling better.
The pain was gone, and I was just so excited to get on with my life.
And when he came in after surgery, he was touching his hand and showing me, hey, look, my fingertips are normal again, I can touch them. And he was so thankful.
My life has become significantly better since the surgery. I can use my hand, I can grip things, I can put my hand in my pocket, I can shake hands, I can golf, I can lift weights. I can do the things that I did before the accident, so I'm getting back to living the life that I once had.